Hello, I'm Josh, and today we're going to be sampling this CB700 rack tom. It's a little bit rattly. Not real bad, but we need to take care of that. So I'm going to need to take the lugs out and I don't have any cotton, so I'm going to put some pieces of paper towel in there to make sure the springs are not rattling. So if you see in there, if you can see that, springs off a little bit, and yeah, get some of this in there. So just stuff a little bit of a paper towel in there to get that rattle to go away. Alright, got all the lugs silenced. Now time to get a tune on it. So what I have been doing is starting with one full turn after just finger tension. Again, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but you know, see what happens. That's pretty high. We're going to come back a quarter turn. That's pretty low. Maybe because I didn't let it ring out. Let's go back that quarter turn. I think that's a good pitch range. Now I'm going to attempt to tune each different lug to the same pitch, which I've not been too successful with this so far, but so those two sound higher to me. think that's probably about as close as I can get it. This is an old head, so that might be giving us some funkiness, but now it's time for the bottom head. So what I did a full turn, and then I backed off a quarter, and I put that quarter back on. So I want this one to be lower, I think. So we're going to do 3/4 turn. Sounds like a 4th or a 5th lower-ish. Let's see what we got here. That one's a little high. I think these two are a little high as well. This one up because it seems like it's a little low. Now it still seems low. Something's up with this one too. High. That's pretty close, I think. Sounds like CB700. Got the mic set up. Decided to go with this. I believe it's a Shure 98, I think. Borrowing it from my buddy Brian. And I got a couple of old mics that I figured I'd check them out. This is a Sony F96. And this here is an Iowa. Let's see if I get it to focus here. CT 1015, just some old consumer grade mics. We'll see how they sound here. Didn't do too many samples this time. I think that was only like, 24 samples. Not too bad on the editing. Okay, got them all snipped up and mixed down. But let's check out what the different mics sound like first here. Here's the 98. Here is the Iowa on the bottom. And the Sony on the shell. And then let's turn those off, and this is the mixed of them together. Now it's time to get them in a drum rack. Okay, got all those in there. Be sure to check the description for a download link for this live session. And, maybe we'll see if we can make something out of these samples. So here's a little loop using the Rack Tom samples.